This brings us to Leo Beach.
To where?
To Leo Beach.
Ah, this one?
Yeah, this is to go to Leo Beach from the airport.
Nice. Pitindaan.
Answering, and now Janice and I'm trying to call Janice.
Nice, the wind.
Yeah, the wind is really nice.
Ang bilis. Ang bilis ah.
Love, you want to take a video?
Vlogger.
Picture is taken.
Yummy, 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 yummy. What's this anyway? Uy, nice.
Parmentier? That's what they called it? Pulpo parmentier? Pulpo.
Ay, que eso está buenísimo. Eso está
El
delicioso.
pulpo huele riquísimo.
So big. Super big paella. Large.
The cat was bigger than the
Big. And then we have a small one.
Mira, mira, mira ese tío con la camisa de...
Food trip. Food trip, everybody.
No, ya a la villa. A la villa luego intenté hacer un intento...
Halata yung ribs mo.
What? I'm just breathing normally?
Yeah, obvious. You can see the ribs. Ay, may baliw talaga.
That's why that's how fit I am.
Yo gano y luego voy a verte.
Ayan. Ito ko na.
Because of shrimp?
Iwas yung pagkain.
No seafood? I'm sorry.
Yes.
Dominic!
French fries na lang.
Dominic! Oh, ay, pala ka dyan.
Lala.
Hi!
Lala, here.
Babe! Ano mo? Pala ka dyan.
You got rashes?
Banana shake dito.
Yes, man. Thank you. I need protein. Because I'm gonna drink again tonight. Charot. Cheers. I need
It
protein.
needs protein.
I can give you some meat.
No, thank you.